because the ball will keep coming.
The shot's off! What a lovely deft finish that was. Whipped in from the wide area. That is a high-class header to score here. Alessandrini. Here's a chance.